Hey there DIYers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to replace the drive belt on my Poulan Pro rider mower. So this thing's been slipping on me every time I go up hills. Thing's just not getting all the way up. So it's 8 years old, time to replace the belt. So let's get right to it. Alright, so the first thing I did is I put it up on some skids, just because it's going to need to get underneath or work more so than you would just working on the deck itself. So I got it up on these skids. I've also seen people hoist the front end up like with a block and tackle, so you can just raise it up so it's up in the air so they can have good access to it. This, I'm going to have to crawl underneath a little bit, but it'll be fine. And so now we'll just go ahead and remove the deck and then we'll get access to the underneath. Alright, so got this one back here. Let's see. Okay, there's that one. And then we have this one right here. Okay, got that. And then we got the one up front and two on the other side. Got that one. This one up front here. Okay, that. Then this one is tucked up in there. See, I need to lower the deck down a little bit so I can get better access to it. Go down to one. There we go. This one is one that I had lost, and so I just replaced it with one of these cotter pins. But I've since ordered some other quick release pins, so I'll replace it with that. Oops. Okay, got that one out. Now it's just a matter of detaching everything. Pull it off. Pull that off. Pull that out. Okay. And on this side, that came off. That came off. So the deck should be able to just pull out. Of course, now we need to remove the spring. Okay. So now we just should be able to pull the deck out. Oh, would help if I detached the belt. Take the belt off. Okay, well, that's done. Okay, and I think I need to get access here from the battery access, so we'll remove the battery and get in there and take a look. Okay. That. We need to go ahead and disconnect the seat pressure sensor. Yep. Get that out of there. Now we should be able to lift the battery up. It's got two spots here to okay. Get that out of there. Let's look down in there. Yep. So this is the dry belt that we want to replace. You can see it's pretty worn. So that is definitely the one we want to get rid of. So I think what I can do is from here, should be able to pull enough tension just to get it off of. Yeah, so we got it off there. And I think there's a diagram somewhere that shows how this belt actually goes on. But so far it looks pretty self-explanatory. So it looks like it's on this idler, and this is an idler, and then this is one that engages. This is just another idler, and up to the pulley where it's on the drive. Alright, so at this point, I'm just go ahead and just pull it off all of these. Okay. Huh. Okay. Got that. So get that off of there. And voila. Alright. So here's the old belt. Yeah. Plenty worn. You can see it's all nice and cracked. That thing is 8 years old. Yep, definitely need to be replaced. Alright, now we have that. So here's a new one. Let's stretch it out. Make sure we got the same length. I think it should be, just because I spec'd it from the, and it is good size. Alright, so now we just need to feed this through, back through, and get it all on there again. So since I pulled it out from the front, let's see if we can feed it up through the front. And I'm just gonna let's see. Okay. So I was able to pull it up through there. All right. At this point, we want this belt to go up over this. Let's try from the front again. Here we are. So we just gotta get it. I think the easiest thing would be is to pull this off, but I'm being lazy and seeing if I can just get it to feed. Up there without doing so. So see, I got that side. Yep. Now it's just this side. Looks like it's a little more challenging. Okay, give me a second here. I think I've got a pretty good view of it. Alright. There we go. Got it up over the spindle. So we are good to go there. So now that we have that part, now it's just a matter of feeding it on through the rest of this. Here. You can see a little better here. Alright, so go ahead and feed the belt on through. Okay, so now put that there. Yep. Put that one there. That's all looking good. It snaps there. Hope you can see that good. There we go. That's how it's supposed to go. Alright, okay. Then we just bring the belt up through here and around. And do a good shot of that. Just bring the belt around this and just boom, and it's on there like so. And we are good to go. Check it out. Got it. Alright, so that's all there was to that. Now let's just reassemble, put the battery back in. Okay. Put this back up through here. And there's negatives right there. Okay, there we go. Okay, get the positive back on there, put their little boot on. Okay. Put the negative back on. Okay, that's all done there. We're good to go. Right, so now it's just a matter of putting the deck back on. Slid over here. So go ahead and get this piece put on. Now this is going to come under. Okay. And this just It's tucked in there like that. And the belt's all good to go like that. Get that bracket up there. Okay, got that. So get this pin in. Snapped on there like that. And then we'll get this one. Snapped on there like that. Okay. Go around the other side. Okay. Got that one on there like so. See, I need to get another washer. Alright. So I do have a washer. Put that on there. Oh, that's a little too big. Let's put this on the front one. That snaps on there like that. And this one. Okay. Right. This is the one that we were using, that bendable cotter pin. Well, I've got some of these cotter pin assortments. These are quick release ones, if you're probably familiar with those. So I picked these up off of eBay. There, got that on there like so. So we're good to go there. Now we just need to put the belt on and we'll be good to go. Alright, so now the best way I can put this belt on is if I take it off of this spindle and then we just bring it up here and we get it mounted up here on the front. Get it up over this spindle. We're good. Now we can just bring this back and put it on there like that. So now it's on there. So now if I go to, yep, so it engages. So I'm good. So we are, in essence, all done with this project. So let's see if everything works like it's supposed to. We'll fire it up, do a reverse and a forward, and then from there we will engage the belts just to make sure that they spin, and then we'll call it a project. All right. Alright folks, well there you have it. So it's a replace of the drive belt for the transmission. It's a little CVT transmission. So I wasn't too mad. Got a little dirty, but that's what showers are for, right? So hey, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and until next project.